the kitchen of the Bay House. Witness a stunning Pacific sunrise over breakfast as fishing boats dot the horizon and waves lap the shore. Architecture that harmonizes with the environment, fuses natural lighting with horizon-wide, vast, and grand sceneries.
This chef-designed kitchen is a culinary masterpiece, optimized for efficiency and creativity. The layout and strategic placement of appliances and prep areas make cooking a breeze, while panoramic ocean views provide endless inspiration. Your cooking experience with top Miele appliances and an indoor wood-fired pizza oven. The open fire creates a warm, inviting atmosphere, while the induction cooktops and steam oven ensure precision. From gourmet meals to cozy fireside gatherings, this kitchen is a chef's paradise. Seamlessly integrated with dining and living areas, this open-plan kitchen is perfect for entertaining. The multifunctional island serves as a hub for preparation and social interaction, with ample space for hosting.
Discover your dream kitchen. Schedule a visit